All right, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about making your website stand out in the search results. Today's topic is schema markup, a secret weapon in every SEO professional's toolbox. Here, I've searched for best Texas chili recipe. And notice how some results have stars, ingredients, ratings, and a preparation time listed right up at the top of the search results. Those are called rich snippets, and they're powered by schema markup. Think of schema markup as a secret code for search engines. You're basically telling them exactly what kind of content you have on your page, instead of expecting Google to guess what your page is about. This helps search engines understand your website more easily and potentially show it for more relevant searches. But schema markup isn't just for fancy rich snippets that we see here at the top of the search results. If we scroll down, we can even see regular search results get benefits from having schema markup on their pages. On this listing here, we can see customer votes, a vote count, preparation time, all displayed next to the recipe listing, all thanks to schema markup. Now, how do you actually get schema markup onto the page? The good news is, it's easier than you might think, especially if you're using WordPress. There are free plugins available that do most of the heavy lifting for you, and the plugin we're going to use today is named Schema and Structured Data. Search for Schema in the WordPress plugin directory by searching right up at the top. And that's the plugin right there. Hit install now and then click activate after it's installed. Once we're activated, we should see a new option on the left sidebar here labeled Structured Data. This is where we manage all of our schema markup. Now, I'm going to show you how we add some schema markup to the page. So click on Structured Data and then click on Add Schema Type at the top. And it will show this simple step-by-step wizard. For this example, we're going to add local business schema markup for a real estate agent, and we're going to add it to the homepage. So just type in local business at the top and then select the next box, and we're going to search for real estate agent. Hit next. Now we need to choose which page we want that schema markup on. In this example, we're going with the home page. So I just click on page on the left here. I click on equal to, and then in the drop down, it will list all of the pages in the website and select home page. Hit next. And then hit let's go. Now, we're looking at the schema markup we just created. You could just leave it as is, but if we really want to get all of the benefits of that schema markup, we click on Modify Schema Output right down the bottom here and choose Manual. And here's the thing, fill out as much information as possible, fill out as much information as you can, and that's the secret to getting your pages showing up with rich results. And you will likely get a little bit of a performance boost as well, because rich results tend to get more clicks in the search results. When you're all done, don't forget to hit update on the side here. Now that you've added schema markup to your page, it's a good idea to double check that everything is working properly. Luckily, there's two free tools that will help you with this. First, we're going to use the schema markup validator. This tool is quite basic, but it's useful. It just checks to see if the markup code is in the page, and then it tells you if there are any errors. So go right ahead and enter your URL into this tool. And we can see on the right here that my page didn't come up with any errors or warnings. The Rich Results Test by Google is another tool that will check your page and tell you if it's eligible for rich results. Simply paste the URL of your page into this tool, and it will analyze your schema markup and tell you if there are any errors. If you're on a budget, the free tools and plugins we've discussed are a fantastic way to get started with schema markup. However, if your website already has a decent amount of traffic, you might consider a premium plugin. Schema Pro offers a wider range of schema types, and it can automatically add schema markup throughout your entire website within minutes. This is a huge time saver, especially for websites with a lot of content. Ultimately, the decision's yours, but remember, even the free options can give your SEO a nice boost. That's it for today, and see you in the next lesson.